You said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said never let me go.
It's 59 village pickup at Nick's farm. What city was it? What town?
Next farm? Oh, this is Ebensburg.
Oh, Ebensburg.
Ebensburg.
So yeah, we're in central Pennsylvania near Ebensburg. This flower farm, really cool farm, and this Jeep was very popular.
Real heavy. Real heavy.
Yeah. And there is so many flowers. And here you guys see the Italian girl. She's working there. She's very cute. Yeah. And also there is Amish girls working there. They wasn't there at that time, but they working there. Well, here is the horses. It's Nick's horses.
No, they're neighbors' horses.
Neighbors. What kind of horse is that? Do you know?
No, I don't. I don't know horses.
Yeah.
Really friendly though. They come to you.
Yeah, they come. And this was electric fence,
Mm-hmm.
so I did not come to pet them. Oh, here is a mix little pigs.
Yeah, pot-belly pig.
He only have two little pigs. If he would have three little pigs, hey, you guys, such a good pigs here. I'm in a little farm, and also here they have a greenhouse over there, and they have a boat and all this property with a peacocks and chickens and all kind of animals. Oh, and the bunny, black and white bunny, they just sitting there. So I guess it's not wild; it's a mix.
Yeah, they just got them at the cow barn and turned them loose.
Yeah. This is fazans, very colorful, and peacocks, chickens, pretty cool chickens, and turkey. And his tractor that he plows. Here is interiors of the store, the country store by the farm. Really cool, interesting things over there. All kind of flowers. So looks like he can even bring the flowers for the weddings or any occasions.
Yeah, he does that too. He has a floral business.
And we went then and we bought like $300 worth of flowers. Was a little,
Yeah,
do you remember how many of them? It probably like more than 10 for sure.
Oh yeah, there were probably 50 of them there.
50 of them,
Yeah, we got the discount price because we're buddies.
And here is the time lapse. Sun goes down. Yeah. So yeah, you guys, if you're gonna be in central Pennsylvania, Ebensburg, there is a flower farm, very famous, beautiful. And,
Ebensburg Garden Center.
Ebensburg Garden Center. Here it is.